We have iPhone 13 Pro Max. Back glass is cracked, missing the wireless charging coil. Battery's expanded, barely lasts 5 minutes, and screen's cracked. Let's see if it's cheaper to buy parts or to just use another iCloud locked phone to repair it, like this one. Camera glass is also cracked, but this one is not. So we can just interchange them. Let's try it. For this, I'm going to be using Apple's parts pairing method, but this is iCloud lock, so let's see if it would work if your phone is iCloud locked. So you can go to About, Parts and Service History, and you can see battery says 64%. So first thing you're going to need is your pentalobe screwdriver. Unfortunately, the pentalobe screw is stripped, so I'm going to be using a jimmy tool to try prying it open. Here I'm just going to bend down the bracket that holds the pentalobe screw in, so the display should pop out freely. There you go, it's unlatched, so now I'm just going to use the plastic tool to work my way around the edges. Once it's free, open it to the left side, and you can see now the battery is very swollen. Okay, we're going to put this away, and let's use the pentalobe screw to remove this. It's a bit covered in dirt, but we did manage to remove them. Out comes the heat gun. Bit of prying, you managed to open this one as well to the left. I'm going to place the block on so it holds the screen open whilst I remove the screws inside. Using a tri-ring screwdriver, you can remove the screws. Once you remove the screw, you can pull the bracket out. This phone contains some Phillips screws and tri-ring screws just to remove the screen. Now you can unplug the battery before you do anything else. Unplug the display connector, move it to a bit to the side so you can remove the proximity sensor. After several screws and brackets, you can now remove the display. That's a cracked display, that's a good display. We're going to be putting the good display on the cracked phone. Okay, so let's get the screen plugged in and battery plugged in. Let's turn it on. And the battery died due to being so low. Let's get on the charger. As for where we left off, the phone went off as the charger cable wasn't working. So let's go back into general, about, parts and service history, display, a new display thing, restart and finish repair. Let's see if it would work. Right, the phone just powered up. Let's turn it back on, so it's just doing a restart. I'm assuming this is the proximity thing as the brightness going up and down. We got the configuration page and we connect it to the Wi-Fi. Let's configure it. Let's finish repair. So it's not asking me for any Apple ID, which is good. Let's see if it works. It's powering on now. Test everything out really quick. So if I scroll down, True Tone is still there. If I cover the camera. Okay, so the proximity sensor isn't working, but if I go into general, about, it says used instead of things. So yeah, it works out cheaper to do it this way than buying a brand new parts, as they would cost about 80 quid, probably more. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video where I completely restore this phone.